Hey Mary Margaret, here are the 3 core exercises that I put in your plan for this month. So you're going to have a cook band attached into a door, okay? You're going to get lying down on your back, okay? Press the low back into the floor. You're going to take your hand that's towards the door side, come to your midline, bring both hands down to the chest, and then you're going to press away, okay? And then hold for 5 seconds, and then come out, okay? 5 seconds, and then down, okay? As that becomes easier, okay, a progression would be to come onto your back, knees flexed at 90 degrees, and then hold this position, okay? Alright. Obviously, when you go to do the other side, you're going to flip around. For the cook hip lift, you're going to interlock your fingers above your knee, pull your knee towards your chest, okay, hold it there, and then you're going to take your other foot, drive through, okay, and bridge up. This keeps the hamstring out of it and prevents you from extending through the lumbar spine. Right? Okay. And then finally, the 3-point plank is just like the standard plank you would do. You're going to get down on your, you're going to get on your hands and knees, okay? So this is a little bit different. We're not on our elbows here, okay? And then we would get into that neutral spine position, butts tucked, squeezing the butt, and then you're going to lift one arm up and tap, okay? Or you can lift your leg and then come down. Okay? So those go from sort of easiest to more difficult and challenging. So try each one of those on a separate day like we talked about. Let me know which one helps you. Okay? Any questions, shoot me an email or text or give me a call. Hope you're doing well. Talk to you soon. Bye.